Hey y'all, it's Emmy here. I just stayed the whole night awake on YouTube and realized I wasn't even making a video to say what's up. So, um, I guess that's it. What's up? uh, I'm going to McDonald's to go get an early breakfast. I'm buying a Monster, and let's see if I can last all day being awake. I might find interesting ways to make videos and stuff. So. Hopefully that works out. If it doesn't, that'll be sad. So, yeah, I'm just checking my yearbook and like no one really seems to be on, so I'm gonna get off. Ooh, I gotta see their Myra. Check later. So, yeah, I just want to say what's up and see what people will comment. Always miss every single time. It's like epic fail. But yeah, so be back later, I guess. Alright, bye.